Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at an example illustrating how to derive the CDF, that is cumulative distribution function of a derived random variable. So, given the following information, that is the joint PDF, that is joint probability density function of two random variables x, y, is given as lambda times mu times e power minus lambda x plus mu into y. For x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, and lambda and mu are parameters of the PDF, and it is 0 elsewhere. So given this PDF, the joint PDF, our goal is to find the PDF. Our goal is to find the CDF of a derived random variable defined as z is equal to y over x. So we want to find the CDF of z. That is, we want to find fz of z. So, by definition, the cumulative distribution function, that is CDF of z, is defined as the probability that the random variable z is less than or equal to small z. That is a realization z. But from this definition, z equal to y by x, so we have probability that y divided by x is less than or equal to small z. This is equal to probability that y is less than or equal to x into z. So basically we have reduced the CDF of z to a CDF of y with the limit equal to a value of the realization equal to x into z. So this is nothing but fy of y equal to xz. Now we have to find the CDF of y. So in order to find fy of xz, which is by definition equal to this one, probability of y less than or equal to xz is also defined as integral minus infinity to plus xz fy of y, that is PDF of y dy. So this is the definition of CDF at xz. This is basically derived from the definition of CDF, this minus infinity to y fy of y dy. So from the PDF. So by using this definition, we have this following formula, and now by using the original joint PDF, that is fx, y of x, y equal to this function, we can rewrite the integral as follows. And of course also using the definition that fy of y, the marginal PDF, is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity fx, y of x, y, that is joint PDF into joint PDF over x. So by using this marginal PDF definition, we can rewrite this integral as minus infinity to xz integral minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity fx, y of x, y dx dy. But from the definition of the joint PDF, we can rewrite the integral as integral, and since x and y are the PDF is only valid for positive values of x and y, we have integral from 0 to xz, integral 0 to infinity fx, the joint PDF is defined as lambda into mu into e power minus lambda x plus mu y dx dy. So this is the definition of fy of xz. Now continuing with the integration process, we have integral by changing the variables, we have integral 0 to infinity. Separating the terms of x and y, we have lambda times e power minus lambda x integral 0 to x z mu into e power minus mu y dy dx. So these are the terms of y and these are the terms of x. Now we can easily evaluate this integral, and this integral is nothing but e power minus lambda x into mu into e power minus mu y divided by minus mu. The limits are 0 to xz, and we have integral over x, that is dx. So and this is equal to, when this value y is equal to xz, we have e power minus mu xz, and for 0 it is 1. So this integral 0 to infinity lambda into e power minus lambda x, the mu and mu will cancel out. We have 1 minus e power minus mu into x into z dx. Now this integral can be rewritten as integral 0 to infinity lambda into e power minus lambda x, that is the first term. Next term is lambda into e power minus lambda plus mu z into x dx. This term is basically derived by multiplying these two exponential terms. So by integration of this term, that is lambda into e power minus lambda x by minus lambda, we have, and the limits are 0 to infinity. And for this term, we have minus lambda into e power minus lambda plus mu z into x divided by this term minus lambda plus mu z. In term, the limits are 0 and infinity. So for infinity, this is 0, for 0, this is 1, and since this is 0 is on the second term, this minus 1. So minus and minus plus, we have 1. And this one is minus and minus will cancel out, lambda by lambda plus mu z into, when we put the values of x equal to infinity, this is 0, and x equal to 0, this is 1, so we have minus 1. Therefore, this is equal to 1 minus lambda by lambda plus mu z. Hence, the CDF of z, that is fz of z, is equal to 1 minus lambda by lambda plus mu z. So basically, given the joint PDF, that is given the joint PDF, it is possible to derive the CDF of a derived random variable z, where z is equal to the ratio y by x. Thanks for watching.